Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. We're all about creating, crafting, and cleverly using what we have to make something beautiful. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more ideas, do check out our website, www.cleverdiycrafts.com. The modern home often seeks to merge nature with architecture, blending the indoors with the outdoors in seamless harmony. One of the most stylish and functional ways to achieve this integration is through the use of beautifully designed indoor plant stands. These stands are not just utilitarian objects, but they have evolved into statement pieces that amplify the aesthetics of a space while simultaneously elevating the plants they support. By selecting an indoor plant stand that fits a specific design theme or complements the existing decor, homeowners can create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere that breathes life into any room. In the realm of contemporary design, minimalist plant stands have garnered immense popularity. These stands often employ sleek lines, industrial metals, and understated colors to create a clean and modern appearance. The emphasis here is on letting the plant remain the focal point, with the stand serving as a subtle frame. Another design trend leans towards the bohemian and rustic, using raw woods, intricate carvings, and sometimes even repurposed materials like ladders or vintage crates. These stands add warmth and a touch of history to a room, making it feel lived in and comfortable. Furthermore, multi-tiered stands have become a favorite among plant enthusiasts. They not only save on floor space but also create a layered visual effect, resembling a miniature indoor garden. However, irrespective of the prevailing design trend, the key to a stunning indoor plant stand is its adaptability and harmony with the surroundings. Whether one opts for a chic metallic stand, a rugged wooden design, or a versatile hanging model, the purpose remains the same: to accentuate the beauty of the plant it holds. These stands remind us that design and nature, when combined thoughtfully, can produce a piece of art in any corner of the home. By investing in a beautifully designed plant stand, one is essentially investing in a piece of decor that evolves with time as plants grow, bloom, and transform. Before you go, just a reminder to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's topic, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell button too, so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next video.